In the business report, the Factories Corporation of Jamaica has launched a second real estate development aimed at becoming a one-stop center for both private and public sector businesses. The Morant Bay Urban Centre in the parish of St. Thomas was the first, and the $4.2 billion Jamaican Bound Brook Urban Centre in the parish of Portland will be the second development and should be completed by December 2024. The 148,000 square foot complex will house the Portland Municipal Corporation, financial institutions, medical facilities, restaurants, a supermarket, BPO offices, education centers, retail and fast food operators. There is now a 100% take-up of available units. The idea is to replicate them in all parishes in Jamaica. Companies listed on the stock exchange have continued to release their financial results. Logistics company Mailpack Group Limited reports 6 months net profit of $68.67 million. Food seasoning firm Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances Limited reports 6 months net profit of $52.83 million. Insurance firm First Rock JMD reports 6 months net loss of $779,105. Caribbean investment firm Proven reports first quarter net loss of $1.37 million. Pastry manufacturer and distributor Honeybun Limited reports 19% increase in 9 months net profit. Seasoning firm Spurtree Spices Jamaica Limited reports 2% increase in 6 months net profit attributable to shareholders. Media firm iCreate reports 6 months net loss of $1.22 million. Now for a look at trade movements in the financial market with Denise Williams.
During trading for the period of August 16, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited 8% with 39,381,076 units, representing 66.77% of the market value in terms of sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 2,585,272 units, representing 4.38% of the market value in terms of sales. Microfinance firm Dollar Financial Services Limited with 2,100,105 units represent 3.56% of the market value in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On August 16, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $44.07 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $43.5 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.26 and bought the US dollar for $156.08. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $2.20, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $5.43 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.36 and bought for $109.93. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $5.13, selling it for $202.88 and buying it for $197.75. For our credit report tip of the day, we're looking at bundling your auto loans and mortgage with your bank, which can be a smart financial strategy, offering benefits like lower interest rates, simplified payments, and even exclusive perks. However, your credit score plays a crucial role in determining the success and advantages of bundling your auto loan and your mortgage. A high credit score can give you the leverage to negotiate lower interest rates when bundling your auto loan and mortgage. Banks are more likely to offer favorable terms to customers with excellent credit, which can result in significant savings over the life of the combined loan, allowing you to buy a house and buy a car.